everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to get out of compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document. When you launch the Microsoft Word desktop application and select a new or any existing document, Word opens it automatically in compatibility mode. You can see it on the top of your screen. This is caused by older versions of Microsoft Word previously installed on your computer. So to fix this problem, go to File, then Info, and click on Convert in the compatibility mode section. A message will appear asking if you want to upgrade your document to the newest file format. Just click on OK. And the problem should be solved. At the top of the screen, compatibility mode should no longer be displayed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.